the hundreds, it's a Pilates exercise that allows us to activate our tummy muscles, allow us to layer on the breathing. So we're starting to work on static stability because we're not going to be moving the legs for this one. You have your hands just resting towards your feet. And I want you to imagine that you've either got a puddle under each hand and you're just going to almost like pat the water in the puddle, or that you've got a bouncy ball under the hand and you're just going to gently bounce. It's not a big movement, it's just nice and small. We activate the tummy muscles and we breathe with the Pilates breath at the same time. And then we can add in the hands. If it's too much to add in the hands, you can just let your hands just rest comfortably around the ribs so you know you're breathing correctly, or just in the lower tummy, and you're just going to breathe in and out for 10 breaths and just keep this area here working. So if you want to add on the next layer of the hands, please feel free. So we're in our rest position. We've got a nice neutral pelvis. We activate the lower tummy muscles and we start to breathe in and out laterally through the ribs. One more breath in and out. And the next breath in, we're going to tap 5 times, breathing in. And out, tap 5 times. Keep going. Breathing in, tap 5 times. Out 5 times. Keep going. And you want to do that for a total of 100. So if we breathe in for 5 and we breathe out for 5, that's a count of 10. You want to do 10 breaths.